Yes, sir.
No concentration, right? Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
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 Very nice. Now, you have come on the stage.
Hello guys, you can see there are many protests running in the India, but one of them is the Agnipath. Agnipath is the very bad. You understand?
We are preparing for 8 years.
Oh.
So this is only job for 4 years. What is this?
Retirement you can get 10 lakhs rupees.
Sir, we are not prepared for 10 lakh. We are prepared for save our India.
Protesting.
I'm protesting because I don't know. Someone told me. That's why I come here.
Hello guys, you can see there are many protests running in the India, but one of them is the Agnipath. Agnipath is the very bad. You understand? This is the bad for us. So we will tell about them. What is the benefit? What is the loss of the Agnipath? You can see in the world. Yeah.
Agnipath, complete our wishes.
Excuse me, sir. Why are you protesting against Agnipath? Why?
Do you know that we are preparing for 8 years?
Oh.
So this is only job for 4 years. What is this? We are. This is very good. This is very bad for us. And everybody is preparing for only country, not for only money. This is very bad.
Oh yeah, this is the very bad. Youth are preparing for 8 years, and they got job only 4 years. This is the very bad. So we will talk about one person. So sir, why are you protesting?
Sir, because we are against Agnipath. This is a look-alike contract.
But sir, government, I want to understand you. After retirement, you can get 10 lakhs rupees.
Sir, we are not prepared for 10 lakh. We are prepared for save our India.
Yeah, you said we are preparing for save our India, help protect our India, not for money. This is the good. But government want to convince him, but maybe what happened in the future. So sir, why are you protecting, sir?
Because I'm against of Agnipath, and 3 lakh soldier is a very small quantity for our country, very big country. This is
Yeah. So sir, government said to us after retirement you can get certificate, you can get 12 lakhs rupees.
what do certificate?
What will I do certificate? Oh my God. Yeah, you can buy certificate. You can get, you can do job, you can do business.
We are preparing for soldier army, not for job.
Oh yeah, this is the way. Youth understand. Youth understand. This is the bad for us. So they will do for job, not for money. So I will. Sir, why are you protesting?
I'm protesting because I don't know. Someone told me. That's why I come here.
Oh my God, this is the very biggest problem of Indian youth. They don't know about Agnipath, but they are protesting. What is this? In the Bihar, there are many youth. They don't know about Agnipath, but they are protesting. They are break trains and stations. This is a very bad for us. So one person is preparing for Agnipath scheme. So I will talk about them. So sir, tell me, you know about Agnipath scheme?
Yeah, I know Agnipath.
So why are you preparing? Because there are many students against of Agnipath.
Because they don't know about Agnipath.
Oh,
Yeah.
they don't know. So
Yeah.
tell me what is the benefits of Agnipath scheme?
By Agnipath scheme, we can do in our army 4 years, and after 4 years we can get 12 lakh money. Government will provide us.
But sir, they said money is not important. Our job is important. Our country is the important.
Yes.
Yeah, I know country is important, but government will select 25% army and for our country.
Yeah, he want to say after retirement, government save 25% youth of Indian Agniveer. We can say Agniveer. Government protect 25 and 75% government left. This is the good. So tell me, sir, why this scheme, sir?